Hello, welcome to YouTube channel Dreamgozar. In this video we will see the symbolic and spiritual meanings of a white cat in a dream, and in the following we will tell the general meaning of the most common dreams in which people see a white cat. The appearance of a white cat in dreams carries deep symbolic significance across various cultures and belief systems. Traditionally, white cats symbolize purity, intuition, and spiritual growth, often tied to personal reflection and inner wisdom. Here we will explore the key themes and meanings associated with dreaming of a white cat. Purity and innocence. White as a color frequently symbolizes purity, innocence, and new beginnings. In dreams, a white cat may reflect a need for spiritual or emotional cleansing. It can serve as a reminder to reconnect with your higher self or evaluate your actions and thoughts for their moral clarity. This interpretation suggests that the dreamer may be seeking personal renewal or healing, particularly from past emotional burdens or negative influences. Spiritual guidance and intuition. White cats in dreams are often seen as messengers of spiritual insight and hidden intuition. If a white cat appears in your dream, it could be urging you to trust your instincts and rely on your inner wisdom to navigate current challenges. This symbol reflects the need to listen to your gut feelings, especially if you are facing a situation requiring careful consideration. The white cat encourages spiritual awareness and deep contemplation, protection, and divine presence. In some traditions, a white cat can be a protective figure or a symbol of divine presence. Its appearance in a dream may indicate that you are being watched over or guided by benevolent spiritual forces. This idea is especially prevalent in spiritual and religious contexts where white is linked with angels, divine beings, or purity of the soul. The white cat can represent a guardian spirit or a sign of divine intervention in your life, offering comfort and assurance that you are on the right path. Duality of nature. While white cats embody purity and spiritual awakening, they also represent the dual nature of life. Cats are creatures of balance, often displaying both nurturing and independent predatory behaviors. This duality can reflect the inner conflict or moral dilemmas you may be experiencing. Dreaming of a white cat can prompt you to examine the choices you are making and question whether they align with your spiritual or ethical values. Emotional clarity and self-reflection. Dreams involving white cats frequently invite a period of reflection. White cats encourage the dreamer to pause and consider their emotional well-being and mental clarity. The presence of a white cat can suggest that it's time to step back from daily stresses and evaluate what truly matters in your life. It may also indicate unresolved emotions that need attention, or the need to clear your mind of distractions in order to find inner peace. Warnings and unresolved fears. While the white cat is generally seen as a positive symbol, its appearance in certain contexts, such as aggression or attack, can indicate unresolved fears or emotional baggage. A white cat behaving aggressively in a dream might represent personal struggles or anxieties that need to be confronted. These dreams serve as a call to address these deeper issues in order to move forward in your personal growth. Cultural and historical significance. Across various cultures, white cats hold different meanings. In ancient Egypt, cats, regardless of color, were revered as protectors and bringers of good fortune. White cats, especially, were often associated with divine guidance and protection. In Western cultures, white cats are linked with luck, purity, and mystery, but in some medieval contexts they could evoke fear or caution. These diverse cultural perceptions can influence the specific meaning of a white cat in your dream, depending on your background and beliefs. Spiritual and feminine energy. The white cat is also associated with feminine energy and the lunar cycle, representing intuitive and receptive forces in nature. Dreaming of a white cat may symbolize a deepening connection to your feminine side, whether you identify with nurturing intuitive wisdom or the power of emotional resilience. In some spiritual traditions, white cats are seen as manifestations of goddess energy, linking the dream to themes of divine, feminine power. In conclusion, dreams of white cats carry rich, layered meanings that span themes of purity, intuition, spiritual guidance, and emotional clarity. Whether the white cat appears as a guide or a symbol of personal reflection, it calls on the dreamer to explore their inner world, trust their instincts, and seek renewal. Its presence often signifies a journey toward self-discovery, inviting the dreamer to confront unresolved fears and embrace the dreamer wisdom within. Well, let's see some of the most common scenarios people normally see about a white cat in their dream. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Dreamgozar. We will see you until next video.